In a world where innovation meets creativity, one company is redefining the gifting industry. Welcome to 3D Print World, where imagination comes to life. At 3D Print World, they've embarked on a mission to revolutionize the gifting experience. By harnessing the power of 3D printing technology, they're changing the way we express our appreciation and love through gifts.
We had an opportunity to work with a company named My Pillow, which is based in USA, and they are into specializing into manufacturing of pillows. They have a product which promotes the particular promoter as well, the founder of the company, Mike Landell, and also the product itself, the pillow.
At 3D Print World, they believe in empowering artists and tapping into their creativity. Together, they bring a touch of artistry to each gift they create.
पहले तो हम लोग 4-5 मॉडल्स को यूं ही तैयार किया कि कलर, फेस का कलर अच्छा है या नहीं है, शर्ट का कलर्स क्या प्रॉपर है, क्या ब्रश के पैचेस तो नहीं है। ये जो भी काम हो रहे हैं, जो भी पेंटिंग के काम हो रहे हैं, सारे हाथ से हो रहे हैं। तो ये एक सबसे बड़ी खासियत है इस मॉडल में।
When My Pillow wanted to gift something special to their loyal customers, they turned to 3D Print World for a one-of-a-kind solution. 3D Print World collaborated with My Pillow to create 5,000 personalized 3D printed model, each a work of art in itself. Each 3D printed model was tailored to perfection, with the brand mascot which helps in marketing the brand easily. Other than bobbleheads, 3D Print World continues to push the boundaries of gifting. From customized jewelry to unique home decor, they are changing the face of the gifting industry. With their cutting-edge technology and precision machinery, they can do customization up to any quantity. In a world where gifts become memories, 3D Print World is leaving an indelible mark, one customized masterpiece at a time. Join the 3D Print World revolution and make your gifting experiences truly extraordinary.